This issue will explain to you the alignment of folding knives. The video is longer. It is explained into paragraphs. Favorite friends like follow favorites. Show as not to get lost. These 3 screws. It is the fixing screw for the folding knife. We can still use these 3 screws. Fine-tune the gap between this folding knife back and forth. Suppose this pocket knife is tilted. We can loosen these 3 screws here. You can fine-tune the tilt angle. It can be adjusted front, rear, left and right. We can have 2 screws here. Adjust this folding knife to tilt up and down. If the position of the folding knife is relatively flat, you don't need to adjust it. If this folding knife has a slight tilt up and down, then now the screws here can be loosened. You can tilt it up and down to adjust it. These 2 screws, we are adjusting the front and rear of this folding knife, before and afterwards. For example, from a narrow mold to a wide mold, we need to adjust these 2 screws. You can adjust it back and forth. Left and right folding knife. These 2 screws. It is also the screw to fix the left and right folding knives. The same is true for left and right folding knives. We can loosen these 2 screws. Can be fine-tuned back, forth, left, right. Make sure that the folding knife is straight after adjustment. Horizontal orientation doesn't tilt it. These 2 screws. It is to adjust this folding knife left and right. Debug up and down tilt. If there is a tilt, we need to loosen these 2 screws. Then tune up and down. Adjust to the level of the folding knife. These 2 screws. That means we are grinding tools. In the case of long for short or short for long, we have to use these 2 screws to adjust. Loosen these 2 screws and we can pull left and right. We have screws on the left and right sides. We have 4 cylinders here. These 2 are the cylinders that control the front and rear folding knives. These 2 are the cylinders that control the left and right folding knives. Control the left and right folding knives up and down. These 2 control the front and rear folding knives up and down. When we need to adjust the up and down distance of the whole folding knife, we need to loosen this knot. This one is twisted up. Folding knot sinking. Then tighten like this. Folding knot sinking. We are in the process of debugging. This knot has to be loosened. When we need to move, we need up and down distance of the folding knife. To adjust, this is a cylinder that controls the folding knife separately. If this is the case, it is the main cylinder of the 4 folding knives we have here. If we say, without any deviation from the 4 knives, we need to make thick material, then we need to mobilize this big. This way, it saves time and is fast. We can directly, the 4 knives move down as a whole. Loosen these knives. This head we can turn. Loosen it, it's down. Tighten the folding knife up. That is to say, this cylinder controls the 4 knives up and down as a whole.